Welcome back. This is Walt with SVN Commercial Real Estate in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Today we're going to talk about how much money does it take to get into a commercial real estate property, what's a good return, and how do I get started. Our focus today is on the commercial market and not on the apartment market. Usually to buy a commercial property, it's about 20 to 25% down if I'm going to go borrow money from the bank. And obviously that would be based on my credit and also what kind of relationship I had with the lender. If you're looking for an owner-occupied property, sometimes you can start at a lower down payment, usually about 10%, and that's through the SBA, Small Business Administration, and they provide loans to businesses, and it's a very economical way, help you to lower your down payment. But if you own a business and you need to borrow some money for your property, don't forget about SBA, make sure you look at that. But normally, about 20 to 25%. If I buy a $100,000 property, I got to put down $25,000. The bank will lend me $75,000, usually over 15 years, maybe 20 years. SBAs are a little bit longer. They probably go out to 25 or 30 years. Next, we're going to talk about what's a good return in commercial real estate. In today's market, it's usually about 5 to 20% return based on the type of property, location of that property, and also how are you measuring that return. Cash on cash return, I put $10,000 in the property, I make $1,000 net that year, I get a 10% return. Cap rate is based on really there's no debt on the property. I buy a $100,000 property, I get a $5,000 return for 1 year. That's a 5% return. IRR, a little bit more complicated return method, but usually you'll see IRR returns in the 18 to 20% range. Another important question is, how do I get started? What do I need to start? And I think a very important thing to do is to form a team of people. And that team consists of a commercial real estate broker who can help you with the market, really understands the market, knows the incentives in the market, knows what's going on in the market, zoning, growth, all these things are very important that you need to know to make a great decision in commercial real estate. Obviously, you need a commercial real estate attorney, a CPA, a banker or a lender, a contractor, and an architect. And the banker is probably the most important of those last three. Just make sure you have a great relationship with the banker. Start to talk about how much you can borrow and how much they're willing to lend you to acquire commercial real estate. If you're looking to start a team, the best place to start again is with a commercial real estate broker. If you need help in helping you to organize your team, give us a call, Walt with SVN Commercial Real Estate in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.